Do you know what could be the difference between a winning and a losing trade? A simple but super effective buy-sell indicator that actually works. In the world of trading, where timing and accuracy are everything, having the right tool can be a complete game changer. Now imagine if you could look at a chart and know exactly when to buy or sell. That's what I'm going to show you today. In this video, we're diving into the best buy-sell indicator for TradingView in 2024, one that I personally find to work perfectly. We'll break down step by step how to use the range sentiment profile and the EMA trend meter, and how they combine to give super clear signals. By the end of this video, you'll be able to predict market trends, make smarter trades, and increase your chances of winning. Let's get started. Introduction to the range sentiment profile indicator. Now that we've set the stage, let's jump into the first tool we'll be using, the range sentiment profile. This is one of the most powerful indicators for understanding market sentiment, which is just a fancy way of saying it helps you figure out if most traders think the price is going to go up or down. What makes this indicator awesome is that it reveals hidden trends and patterns in the market, giving you a sneak peek into where the price might be heading next. Hold on! First off, thank you for sticking with the video. You've just taken a major step toward making your trading dreams a reality. If you're tired of juggling through multiple indicators and doing all the analysis yourself, only to lose big in the end, let me introduce you to BitsTurtle AI Bot. I've spent over a year perfecting this crypto trading bot, and I'm confident it will revolutionize the way you trade. Sick of manual trading and watching your hard-earned money slip away? You're just one click away from transforming your trading journey and living on autopilot. Grab the BitsTurtle AI Bot from the description below. How to add and configure the range sentiment profile. First, head over to the Indicators tab at the top of your TradingView chart. Once you click on that, just type Range Sentiment Profile into the search bar. Look for the one made by Lux Algo and add it to your chart. Now, let's tweak a couple of settings to make it work even better. After adding the indicator, open its settings. Change the length from 80 to 70. This makes the indicator more sensitive, giving quicker signals. Next, adjust the row from 20 to 30. This smooths out the signals a bit, making them more reliable. That's it. Now it's all set up. Understanding the range sentiment profile indicator. Now let's break down how to actually read the range sentiment profile and use it in your trading. As I mentioned earlier, the most important thing to watch out for is the box color. If the box is blue, it's signaling a bullish market. This means that traders in that range are betting the price will go up, and there's a high chance of an uptrend. On the other hand, if the box is orange, it's signaling a bearish market, suggesting that traders expect the price to drop. The real beauty of this indicator is how easy it is to interpret. It's basically telling you the mood of the market, whether people are feeling bullish, positive about the market, or bearish, negative about the market. And when you know what the majority of traders are thinking, it's a lot easier to make a decision. Now, here's how you can use it. When you see a blue box and the price starts to rise, it could be a good time to consider entering a buy position. Likewise, if you see an orange box and the price starts to fall, that's a sign you might want to think about selling or going short. This indicator doesn't predict the future perfectly, but it gives you a strong indication of what's most likely to happen based on what traders are doing. Use it as a guide to make smarter, more confident trading decisions. Adding the EMA trend meter for confirmation. Now that we've set up the range sentiment profile, it's time to add one more tool to confirm our trades, the EMA trend meter. The EMA, exponential moving average. Trend meter is great because it helps us see if the market is really trending in one direction. It gives us an extra layer of confirmation before we jump into a trade, which is super important to avoid false signals. To add this indicator, go back to the Indicators tab in TradingView, type EMA trend meter, and select the one created by Colin McKay. Once you've added it to your chart, we need to tweak the settings to match our strategy. First, open the settings and change the EMA baseline from 1 to 5. Then set the EMA fast from 7 to 14, the EMA mid from 14 to 15, and the EMA slow from 21 to 25. Now the indicator is ready to go, giving us a solid view of the market trend. Understanding the EMA trend meter. Let's talk about how to read the EMA trend meter. This indicator uses 3 different exponential moving averages, EMAs, to help us see if the market is moving up or down over time. The EMAs are represented by colors, green for an uptrend and red for a downtrend. If all 3 EMAs are green, this tells us that the market is in an uptrend, meaning prices are going up. On the other hand, if all 3 EMAs are red, it means the market is in a downtrend, with prices dropping. It's important to note that this indicator is all about confirmation. When all 3 EMAs are aligned, either all green or all red, it's a strong signal that the market is moving in that direction. This helps us avoid entering trades when the market is choppy or uncertain. Using the EMA trend meter alongside the range sentiment profile gives us double confirmation, making it easier to spot clear trends and avoid risky trades. Trading strategy. Buy setup example. Now let's walk through a simple buy setup using both the range sentiment profile and EMA trend meter. Here's how it works. Start by looking at the color of the box. If it's blue, that's our first clue that the market is likely in an uptrend. This means traders are mostly bullish, expecting the price to rise. Now check the EMA trend meter. If all 3 of the EMAs are green, this is our second confirmation that the market is in an uptrend. At this point, we've got both indicators telling us the market is likely going up. For the final confirmation, look for a bullish candle, which is a candle that closes higher than it opens, on your chart. If you see one, it's time to enter a buy position. Now, to protect yourself, set your stop loss at the previous low of the market. This limits your losses in case the market moves against you. For your risk-to-reward ratio, aim for 1.5. This means for every dollar you risk, you're aiming to make $1.5 in profit. You can place your buy order once everything is aligned, the blue box, green EMAs, and a bullish candle. Following these steps helps you enter trades with more confidence, knowing that multiple indicators are confirming the same trend. Trading strategy. Sell setup example. Now, let's talk about a sell setup. Just like with the buy setup, we'll be using both the range sentiment profile and the EMA trend meter to guide us through a clear sell trade. Here's the step-by-step process. First, take a look at the box color. If it's orange, that's our signal that the market is likely in a downtrend. This suggests most traders are bearish, meaning they expect the price to fall. Now, move to the EMA trend meter. If all 3 EMAs are showing red, that's our second confirmation that the market is moving downward. At this point, we have both indicators telling us the trend is bearish. For the final confirmation, you'll want to find a bearish candle, which is a candle that closes lower than it opens on your chart. If you see one, it's time to consider a sell position. Lastly, as always, protect yourself by setting your stop loss at the previous high of the market. This acts as your safety net if the market unexpectedly moves upward. For your risk-to-reward ratio, again aim for 1.5. This means for every dollar you risk, you're looking to make $1.5 in return. Once everything lines up, the orange box, red EMAs, and a bearish candle, you can confidently place your sell order. So, to wrap up our video, combining the range sentiment profile and the EMA trend meter gives you a powerful strategy for spotting both buy and sell opportunities. It's simple but effective, and if you follow the steps carefully, you'll increase your chances of making successful trades. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If today's insights on crypto trading strategies grabbed your attention, you're in for something big. Right here on your screen is the next video, packed with techniques to 10x your trading profits. I've got a feeling it's exactly what you need to level up your game. Go ahead, click, and start boosting your gains.